So now I remove this. So this is it. You can see. This is the motor. So loads of like what is it called? The rush. So now instead that I will remove the what is it called? The whole thing. So I didn't completely shut this. So that's what happened. So now I will replace a replacement. Actually, it's not a new one. It's what you call this one used, but it says on eBay. I bought it on eBay only 20 pounds. So I hope that it will be okay when I replace this one. So I will put now the screw. So I will tighten. Actually, there's an O-ring, so I hope the O-ring is still okay. So we'll try to shut now to put this thing back. So that's it. Another one by here. So instead that I will pay to the technician, to the engineer. So if you can do it yourself, do it. So there's a leakage, so that's alright. Not too much. So where's the other ones? Screw. Still there's a leak. Correct. Or you can close the main what do you call this one? Main line of the water if you want. So the problem here is like it's not balanced. So try to ngayon hindi ko siya masyado. I think okay, maybe it's not straight. Yeah, maybe start to tight now a little bit. So little bit leak. So I will remove this. If you can see, there's a little bit leak. Loads of water come out. So now we'll try to tight it. So a little bit fine now. Okay. More here at the top. Okay. So a bit. Still there's a leak, but okay, a little bit. I will try to tight a bit. There's another more by here. Not completely set yet. Okay. If you can see, there's a little bit depth. Okay. Here we go. More tight. Okay. The top. Okay. Just a little bit, water comes out, so switch off na. Iula daw na yun.